Hello and welcome to taik18. Here I am going to start a new series. This will cover for your Azure journey. Yes, I want to cover it for DP500, AZ900 and also for DP203. So before going into that in detail, we just need to understand some of the basic terminologies of the cloud computing, which is being used in Azure. So what is cloud service models? Basically, Microsoft provides three kinds of cloud service models. So let's understand with an example now. If you want to live in this planet, then you need certain things. Like for an example, you need a land for that, and also you need a road in that, and also there must be an electricity which needs to be there. Then only you can able to build your home and then you can live into that. So when we have this kind of infrastructure with us, like the land, electricity and roads and everything, and then we can build our home on top of that. If someone is providing this kind of facilities, then this service is called IaaS, which is infrastructure as a service. They are giving us an infrastructure as a service for us. We'll discuss about that in detail in the later part of this video. And here, what if the provider itself give us a home for us, and what we need to do, we just need to bring our things inside to that and then we can start our living. So if they provide this much of facility, including this electricity, road, land and the home, then this called as a platform as a service. So we can just buy this platform and then we can start bring our things and then we can start living our things. So this is called a platform as a service. And now even further, one step further, like if they provide also the full furnished home, the all kind of facilities like furnitures and fixtures and electricity, the lights and fan, everything they provide, we just need to go and start our living. In that case, this is called as software as a service, SaaS. So I hope you got a brief idea about how these three things differ, right? So now let's understand its basic functionality inside to that. So on the left side, you can see there are services which the cloud computing can provide. So basically, this is a data and access, application, runtime, operating system, virtual machines, compute, networking and storage. We'll go from bottom to top actually. So when it comes to IaaS, infrastructure as a service, then the storage, networking and compute, it means the land, the road and electricity they can provide, and after that we need a virtual machines to run our systems, and then we need operating system, we need applications to run, we need a data and access. Everything has to be taken care by ourselves. So in that case, this is called infrastructure as a service, and only these three things, compute, networking and storage, covers under the IaaS. And now when it comes to platform as a service, they will also give you these virtual machines and we can configure that, and also will give these operating systems and runtimes of these applications. So all these things they provide. The only thing which we need to add is we need to add our own applications. If you are using for the SQL server or any kind of application we want to run inside to that, you can run that, and if you want to access those information, you can access the data separately. So this is called platform as a service. Now when it comes to software as a service, everything starting from storage to application, they will provide everything, and the only thing is we just need to go and consume. It's like ninga vanda mattum podum, right? So you just need to consume everything is settled over there, you just need to use that. It's a kind of like we have Office 365, we are just buying a subscription for that, and then everything is ready on the web. We just need to go and start working inputting our data. That's it. So this is the three types of terminology which is being used in cloud service models: IaaS, infrastructure as a service; PaaS, platform as a service; and SaaS, software as a service. So I just started this series just to understand the basics of the Azure and cloud computing, and then based on your feedback, I just want to go ahead further on what are the topics on a priority basis I need to cover. I have a plan that I need to cover from basics to advanced and the expert level. I invite you to be the part of this journey so that we can grow together, learn together, and share our knowledge together. So if you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.